Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing video. So here is my package that I just got from Amazon. And now we're gonna see what's in the box. Let's get a thumbnail. I turned it around because I don't want everybody seeing my address. Because, you know, there's some crazy people out there in the world. And, yeah. So, guys, before I do anything, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I post. So, now we're just going to get straight into unboxing. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna just sit this right here. Take out the little plastic. These are so fun. You like my nephew is asleep right there. So that part is fun. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. What could this be? What could this be? Dun, 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 dun. Ring light for video. Yes, this is my second ring light. Overall, this would be my third ring light within a year, because I have one, like the little desktop ones, the little circle, tiny ones, and my nephew broke it. So I bought me another one a couple of months ago, thinking it would be the one that the tripod adjusts. No, it's a desktop one. It works perfectly fine, but the foam round part they have is loose. So I made it sit to a certain way that I don't have to keep moving it and stuff like that. So I'm grateful. So now let's get into this whole video, the whole reason why I came to watch. Okay, so let the fun begin. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, box is getting open. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we're gonna set this box here, and this is the first time I've had a ring light come like this, packaged well. And inside we have our instruction manual. Yes. All right. First thing says instructions. User manual. Introductions. USB powered, steel material, remote, dimmable ring light, 3 colors, adjustable tripod stand. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's exactly what I wanted, an adjustable tripod, because your girl don't want to be sitting close up on the camera and stuff like that. And it has a universal phone holder, so I got tons of phone holders. So I'm never going to go without them. Okay. Yeah, First thing it says, all right, let's do this step by step first, okay? Inside the package, it should be a circle ring light, wireless remote, user manual, and circle light stand. Okay, so we're going to put this to the side. This one is tangled up in here. Okay. Here is the tripod. This is my ring light. This is pretty big. I don't really have to do much for here. This is where the phone goes. And it's flexible. Yes, I'm so happy. Like, this is adjustable so we can bend and it can sit like that. This is the ball where you connect to the tripod. This is the remote control, which it has a power button, the brightness level up and down, and you can change it to the 3 different modes that I have. And this is the USB cord. All I had to do is plug this into a block piece, plug it into the wall, or plug it into the computer and whatnot. So yeah, let's go ahead and set up the tripod. And let's look at these instructions. Okay, so it says rotate the clockwise. All right, let's take this out of the package, out the bag first. Dun, dun, dun. This is a nice, cute little bag. Like, I'm impressed. Yeah, I'm stepping my game up. Ooh, look at this. This is gonna be so sturdy. Ooh. Oh my God, I love the new smell that they come. You know, like when you buy a car or a pair of sneakers and you sniff. Your girl is crazy, but hey, it is what it is, you know. I'm liking this. Alright, so it says rotate counterclockwise at the bottom of the spin button. Okay. Open the corner frame by hand and use both hands to divide the corner frame into 2 sides. Okay. So here is this button right here. This one right here. So y'all can see that right there. And dun, 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 dun. All right. Ugh. Of course, they say use both hands, right? Okay. All right. That's locked in. Now it says to stretch the rod up or continue to rotate the butt clockwise until you reach the desired height you want. Okay. Oh. Wait, so... Alright, this is going to lock this into place. Oh, this is for this. Okay. Lock that back into place. Alright, let's put this on the floor. And then we're going to begin to assemble. Alright, that's good enough. Alright. You okay? Alright, I'm going to get you some juice. Hold on, let me finish my video, okay? You know what? Hold on, I'm going to get him some juice. Okay, guys, I am back. Now this is the part that we have to hook up our phone to. So, right now I have to, you know what? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I'm using my phone to record. So I got this old track phone of mine that I have, and we just gonna use it as we can. So it said to put, all right, lay down. All right, we're gonna put this phone in here like so. It's not charged, so we won't be turning it on for the picture quality part. So we're gonna have it like this. It's on. So there we go. And then we're just gonna plug this part on. Oh, will not let me be great. All right. Now we're just gonna twist this part on. I don't know why they said to put this part on first, because this joint is heavy. Boy. What in the world? Oh my god, why this joint won't twist on? Oh, come on, work over here. This joint is so heavy. Alright. We got it now. We got it. Ooh, this joint is so heavy. Alright. Alright, we got the desired twistness on. Let's lower this a little. Alright. Alright, now we need to set this joint straight because this joint is heavy. Whew, we got it. So, here's the phone, horizontal. This is portrait mode. And to put it landscape, all you do is just turn it that way. Now we're going to test the brightness on this. So, I'm going to unplug my phone. And then, oh, I'm going to have to unplug this ring light as well. So, stay tuned. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, the camera, the ring light is all set up. Now it's time to test the brightness. Okay, we're going to turn it on. Whoa. Yeah, y'all can definitely see it's bright. Let's turn it down some. Yeah, now we're going to switch. Yeah. I kind of think I wish I should have did this video at nighttime so you can definitely see the brightness. So, yeah. I'm going to reinsert a better clip later on, but I just wanted y'all to see the setup for right now. So we're going to turn this off. Yeah. And this is the little remote that it gives you. I will hook it up to my phone because I'm using my phone to record it, obviously, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically my ring light. This is so bomb. Like, I like this. This is so cute. And I'm finally happy because this is one of the most cheapest ring lights I've ever purchased in buying a ring light. Like the little tiny desktop one, I paid like what, $30. It was small. The little desktop one I have now, let me see if I can show y'all. Hold on. So we're about to turn the light on so y'all can see the brightness. I know y'all can't see me, but y'all can definitely hear me. Ow! I'm hilarious. But anyways, let's turn this light on. Woo! Yeah, look at that, look at that. Ah, ah, ah. Look at it, look at it. Ah, ah, ah. All right, this is the, I'm not sure if this is the first setting or what, but this is one setting. Ooh, this one is good too. Ow! Quality of video is about to be on fleek because now I can do videos in the dark. Ow! This is the first bright setting, like, definitely. And you can change the settings. Y'all see that clear as day, right? So this one is to go up. It's already up to the highest. This one right here is to go down. Yeah. This is like, even though it's dim like this, the quality is still good. We're going to turn it back up. Then we're going to switch this middle button. This one is like the warm light, so if you want to take like selfies at nighttime, and you still get a good crisp picture, right? So we're gonna turn it down some because it's at its highest. Yes, this one is not so much, but it's still good quality. And now we're gonna switch. Yeah, nice. And then we're gonna switch to the last setting. This is regular. This is that white light. It's at its highest. Now we're gonna take it down to its lowest. Yeah, still good lighting, but just not as bright. Okay, so this is concludes our settings and our exposure to the light. So yeah, this is my other ring light I have, the desktop one. You see it's small, it doesn't adjust. And this is the part that was giving me problems. This right here behind it is basically hands-free neck mount, so you can watch your videos and stuff while you're in bed hands-free. Got this $5 at Five Below. And yeah, so far I'm completely shocked. This right here, this one right here, this one it cost $44. But see what happened was, I didn't know how to put this on. So when I went back to the company, I told them like that the phone mount was defective. Cause mind you, I didn't know how to put it together. So I was like, it was defective. And they refunded my money. So basically I got it for free. Like, listen, I know now, like, shop around, do your research first before you go out and just buy any ring light, because this one right here bamboozled me. Like, I was shocked when I seen it. I was like, this joint is little. Like, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? Excuse me. So when I went on Amazon, I found that one. I was like, oh, what? And my phone sits on the inside like how the big ring lights be, like the 14-inch, 18-inch. How those ring lights be, and those are like over $100. I was like, this is perfect, and it only cost me $35, free shipping. Free shipping. You know I had to jump on that. It's like, yes, honey, I'm happy. I am content now that I got what I really wanted. And yeah, so now all I gotta do is get me like a little table to put in my room, so now I can do all my videos in my room. And it's only going up from here. Grind does not stop, because I'm working with the equipment I got, and my videos and quality is going to pay off in the long run. So yeah, this basically concludes this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy. I will put the link in the description of I will put the link in the description of which ring light I bought from Amazon. So guys, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, that way you'll be notified when I post. And until next time, we out of here. Deuces. Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.